Hi, welcome to another video on MCP related technologies. So this is a bonus video where we are not talking of MCP, we are not talking of SSE transport, we are also not talking about the REST endpoint. So because MCP implements SSE and HTTP communication, we covered that in previous videos. In this video, for completion's sake, we are going to demonstrate WebSockets. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. We compared the WebSockets in our previous video also, where we saw that SSE is one-way communication, whereas WebSockets allow us two-way communication. SSE is good for live updates and WebSocket is good for chat, audio-based chat, gaming, etc. And both are efficient. So we are not looking at REST in this video. We are looking at WebSockets. This we have already covered. This also we have already covered. So let's look at the demo. If you clone the repo URL given in the description, you will get the Techie Talks AI folder. There you will see an SSI folder. Inside that, there is a v5ws folder. That is where I am in. And if you see, there are few files. There are some unconnected files. Please ignore. Those were my experiments. I'm not deleting them. Docker Compose up will start the... Okay, so Docker Compose has these services. WebSocket server, a Python-based WebSocket client, just to show you that a client can connect to, and we have a Streamlit-based front end. So the structure is like our previous demonstration. So let's run the server and the client and see it's working, and then look at the front end. So Docker Compose up, WS server and WS client, WebSocket server and WebSocket client. Okay, so it's saying server, one connection was opened, no further communication. Why? Because in this case, it's a two-way communication, but in this case, client should initiate the communication. Client did not initiate any communication, so you don't see anything. So let's start the front end also, so that we can initiate the communication. So for that, we just say Docker Compose up. Okay, it's running. Let's browse and see. Let's refresh. So that's WebSocket real-time chat. Let me see. Hello. See, server received hello at so-and-so time. Immediately, server responds with the message, I am Sri. See here, received, I am Sri. So this is a two-way real-time communication using WebSockets. Let's look at the code. First, let's look at the... Please ignore the commented section. Those were my experiments. So it uses WebSocket from Fast API. And we are also using WebSocket disconnect. So the client can connect and disconnect. So there is an infinite loop here. Connected clients append WebSocket. So multiple clients can connect to this WS server, and it is in an indefinite loop. In an infinite loop, it is waiting for WebSocket.receive text. So if there is data, we are adding timestamp to the data and responding back client in connected clients and client.send text. Okay, so two important function calls we are seeing. WebSocket.receive text will receive the incoming message, and client.send text will send the text back to a specific client. So here we are iterating through all the connected clients. So that is in a nutshell this script is all about, and the endpoint is /ws. And this is, see this one, this is not post or get. This is using WebSocket of Fast API. When it comes to SSE server, we used get for the SSE endpoint. Okay, so now WebSocket client, we are connecting to see this WS colon. This is the Docker Compose service name, WS-server. If you see here, WS-server. Okay, WebSocket connect, we are connecting to this, and message WebSocket receive. So if there is a message received from server, it will be printed. Let's create some space and send one message. How are you? And send it. And if you see here, client also received the message, how are you? Web interface, Streamlit application, send the message to the server, and when server responded, it communicated back to the web interface WebSocket client as well as the backend WebSocket client. See this line. So this is a tiny demo to give you confidence in using WebSocket. The next big thing is socket-based communication. That will become very significant because real-time chat interaction is going to be the in thing, especially using audio. So thank you for your time. Please give your valuable comments via the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.